Good morning, students. In previous video we are discussing about Olympic symbols, and we are also discuss about objective of Olympic Games, opening ceremony of Olympic Games, Paralympics, Special Olympic and Winter Olympic. Today we are going to start new topic, IOC, International Olympic Committee. The full form of IOC is International Olympic Committee. IOC is a non-profit, non-governmental organization based in Lausanne. Where it is? It is in Switzerland. So we can say the headquarter of IOC is based in Switzerland, Lausanne. It is formed by French person Baron Pierre de Coubertin. He is also founder of modern Olympic Games. He formed IOC before start modern Olympic Games on 23rd June 1894. On 23rd June 1894, Dimitros Vikoulis, it is the name of a person, as its first president. The first president of IOC is Dimitros Vikoulis. IOC organized modern Olympic Games, Paralympic Games, Winter Olympic Games, यूथ ओलंपिक गेम्स इसका मतलब है ऐसे गेम्स जिसमें अंडर 18 कैटेगरी में चाइल्ड पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं. इन IOC देयर आर वन प्रेसिडेंट. द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ IOC कंसिस्ट वन प्रेसिडेंट, टू वाइस प्रेसिडेंट and five executive members, and it also consists of one representative of each country in it. The president of IOC elected for 8 years. How many years? 8 years. Current president of IOC is Thomas Bach. It is related or belong to Germany. Now we move on to next topic, role of IOC, or we can say the work of IOC. There are various work of IOC. Some of the important work are following. First one is it encourages and support to the promotion of ethics and good governance in sports. Second point, it ensures regular celebration of Olympic Games. Third, one of the important point, IOC act against any form of discrimination. It means it is based on caste, any kind of religion, race, etc. So act against any form of discrimination affecting the Olympic movement. Next point is it encourage and support the promotion of women in sports at all level. Means हर लेवल पर, either it will be in international, national or state level. So IOC promote and encourage as well as give support to the promotion of women in sports at all level. Next point, IOC lead the fight against doping in sports. Fight against doping, it means it against the drugs, unwanted substance that we are taking to improve the performance level. So it lead the fight against doping in sports. IOC also look after many other things like promote a positive legacy from the Olympic Games to the host cities and countries. Next point, it oppose any political and commercial abuse. It oppose any political and commercial abuse of sports and athlete, against athlete. Next point is IOC encourage and support the organization development. Encourage and support the organization development and coordination of sports competition. ये सपोर्ट करता है, इसके अलावा कोऑर्डिनेट करता है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और स्पोर्ट्स कंपटीशन के बीच. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, इम्प्लीमेंटिंग द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इक्वलिटी ऑफ मैन एंड वुमेन. इट ऑल्सो इम्प्लीमेंटिंग, ये बिलीव करता है IOC दैट मैन एंड वुमेन आर इक्वल in terms of everywhere, in terms of sports also. So it implementing the principle of equality of men and women in sport. These are some important significance or role of IOC.